Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance, and if you don't have account I will leave the link in the description below. It's free to sign up, and then just click here, buy crypto, and choose the payment method. If I choose credit and debit card, and select the currency here. In my case I have euro, but you can change to other currency, and here we will choose BNB, and you can see here the price. 1 BNB equal 257.11 euro. In case I want to buy 3 BNB, here will be the price 771.32 euro, and then click continue, and then just click verify now. You need to complete verification to continue with the payment method, but I will not do it now because I will not buy it. This is what you need to do if you want to buy BNB on Binance. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.